Hey everyone, welcome back to the Excel School. If you work in Excel, you know how easy it is to lose track of where your cursor actually is, especially when working with large sheets full of data. In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically highlight the active cell or the active row and column in Excel using a little bit of magic. Don't worry, it's super simple, and I'll walk you through every step. By the end of this video, your Excel sheet will be more interactive, colorful, and easy to navigate. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Imagine you're scrolling through hundreds or even thousands of rows of data, for example name, department, salary, etc. You click on a cell, but it's hard to see which one you selected. You lose focus, make errors, or even overwrite the wrong cell. That's where this trick helps. By highlighting the active cell or the entire row and column dynamically, you can instantly see exactly where you are in your sheet. First, we need to select the entire dataset in Excel. To do this quickly, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This selects all the data in your worksheet. Next, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon and click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down, select New Rule to create a custom formatting condition. In the dialog box that appears, choose the last option. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This allows us to apply formatting based on a specific formula. Don't worry about remembering the formula. It's provided in the video description, and you can simply copy and paste it from there. Once you've entered the formula, click on the Format button. In the Fill section, choose the color you'd like to highlight the active cell here. I'll use a light green shade. Finally, press OK, and your active cell highlighting rule will be applied perfectly. As you can see, right now only a single row is highlighted, and when you move your selection to another cell, that new row doesn't get highlighted automatically. However, if you double-click on a cell, the highlight changes, meaning the formatting is applied, but not dynamically. To fix this and make the highlighting respond instantly as you move from one cell to another, we'll need to add a small piece of VBA code. Here's how to do it. Right-click on the Sheet tab at the bottom where it says Sheet 1, and from a menu, choose View Code. This will open the Visual Basic for Applications VBA editor. Once the editor is open, make sure the drop-down at the top left says Worksheet instead of General. This ensures the code applies only to that specific sheet. Now, inside the code window, type the command target.calculate. After typing this simple line of code, close the VBA editor. Now return to your Excel sheet. Try selecting any cell. You'll see that the highlight automatically shifts to the row of the currently selected cell. This makes it incredibly easy to track and identify the data of the active row in real time. And that's it. You just made your Excel sheet interactive with a simple piece of VBA. Now, every time you click a cell, Excel visually guides you to your location. It's such a small tweak, but makes a huge difference when you're dealing with massive spreadsheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel tricks, and comment below which Excel feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll make Excel even smarter and more powerful.